G'day and welcome to the 12 Days of Stitches. We are almost done with this here. In today's video we're going to show you the results from the voting on day 10, open up box 11, see what beautiful fabrics are inside, along with 3 new patterns for you to choose from. So as you may remember, day 10 was this beautiful series of brown fabrics and we had 3 different patterns to choose from. And unlike the previous round, the voting on this one was pretty cut and clear. We had 3 different patterns up for grabs this time, and it was the twin stars, the pinwheel star, and the center star. And in the overwhelming first place was the center star. So this will be the pattern that I'm be making very, very soon. I'm really looking forward to this one because this is the one that I wanted to win. And so now it is time to open up box number 11 and let's see what's inside. What color do you think it is? We've been through the rainbow, we've done brown, so I'm thinking black or white. Let's see if that's what you're thinking, and let me know if in the comments if you actually guess correctly or not. Let's take a look. It does look like black and white, so let's take a look here. Oh, very, very nice. Okay, so yeah, it's a nice selection of black and white fabrics. Let's go take a closer look at each of the 12 fabrics. So these are wonderful black and white fabrics, although some of them actually have a nice pop of color on them, including this one here. This one is really cute. It's like almost like those little Space Invader things from back in the day. And then this one has different letters on it. I think this one's really, really fun. After that, we have some musical notes. I used to love playing music when I was younger, played a couple of different instruments. This one here I think is really, really fun too. Just like, not quite sure what that is. Is it like scrolly handwriting or something else? Who knows? This one is next. Take a look at that one. Sorry, I'm just trying to keep this all organized. I'm not doing a very good job. And then next up is this wonderful flower. And then the beautiful silver scroll leaves. I think this one's really nice. And then we have this one right here. It's another florals. Starting to like florals after doing all this. You all converted me. It's really cool. Then we just have a couple more to show you. This one here with the paisleys, or is that what it's called? Let me know in the comments if I'm right. This one here with the beautiful colors, I like that one a lot as well. Kind of reminds me of the logo from the Sydney Olympics back in 2000. And then finally we have this one here, which is kind of like a starry night. And you'll see that kind of featured in one of the patterns in just a few moments. So now we got to go ahead and take a look at the 3 different patterns you get to choose from. So now it is time to vote on the 3 different patterns that I'm about to show you, and whichever one gets the most votes, as always, will be the one that I will make in the very, very near future. If there's a tie like there was on day 9, I'll cast a deciding vote, but hopefully I won't have to do that. The first one I want to show you is called Snippets, and it actually is based on the pattern right behind me, and we've featured this once or twice in the past before. We figured we'd give it one more chance to see if it makes it to the final quilt. The next one is called Squares and Diamonds. I think this is a nice mix of both squares and triangles all melted together, and it's a really fun pattern as well. And then the third one is one I kind of just threw together. It looks really fun. It's called Houses. I tried to make little houses, like there's 8 houses around the outside, and then kind of like a little garden square in the middle. So to vote, you need to go over to the Google form. The link will be pinned in the description, also as a comment as well, and you'll have about 24 hours to vote. We may leave it open just a little bit longer because our next video won't be until Monday for this one. So duck over as soon as you can, cast your vote, and whichever one gets the most votes will be the one that I make for this here. I hope you've been enjoying this series. If you haven't seen the previous ones in this series, go back and look and see. And just let me know, how many have you picked correctly so far, or which ones that have you picked have won? I'd love to hear. Some people said they've been doing pretty well, and some have only been hit or miss. And I think for me, I'd probably be about 30 to 40% getting it right. So if you're not doing great on that little part, don't worry, you're not alone. If you are enjoying the video, please hit that like button. I always love hearing comments from my viewers. I hope you'll have a great day. Happy sewing, and we'll see you next time.